What is an illegal search? Have you ever wondered what makes a search illegal? It's a topic that touches on our rights and freedoms. An illegal search occurs when government authorities conduct a search or seizure that violates constitutional protections. The Fourth Amendment is key here, as it protects individuals against unreasonable searches and seizures. This amendment requires that searches be reasonable and typically supported by a valid warrant based on probable cause. So, what defines an illegal search? First, there is the lack of a valid warrant. If a search is conducted without a legal warrant signed by a judge or magistrate, it is usually illegal. The warrant must specifically describe the place to be searched and the items or persons to be seized. Next, we have the absence of probable cause. Even if a warrant is not obtained, a search may still be legal if there is probable cause. This means there must be a reasonable belief that evidence of a crime will be found. Without such probable cause, the search is deemed illegal. Another important point is exceeding the scope of authorization. If a search goes beyond what the warrant or probable cause allows, such as searching areas or items not specified, it is illegal. From a libertarian perspective, these protections are fundamental. They safeguard individual privacy and limit government intrusion. Libertarianism emphasizes that individuals have a right to retreat into their private spaces without unwarranted government scrutiny. Any search that allows the government unlimited power to inspect private spaces without adequate justification is considered unreasonable and illegal. In practical terms, law enforcement must have clear, individualized suspicion and proper legal authorization before conducting searches. For example, using trained police dogs to investigate a home's surroundings is considered a search under the Fourth Amendment and requires proper cause. When an illegal search occurs, the primary remedy in criminal cases is the exclusionary rule. This rule prevents evidence obtained from such a search from being used in court. The goal is to deter unlawful searches by removing the incentive to violate constitutional rights. In summary, an illegal search is one conducted without proper legal authority, without probable cause, or beyond the authorized scope. This violates the Fourth Amendment's protection against unreasonable government intrusion. Upholding these protections is essential for preserving individual liberty and limiting government overreach.